dos, uno. Okay, cash discount examples. I'm going to take a look at two pretty neat examples on cash discounts. So here's the first one. An invoice dated January 21st with terms 210 and 30 is set for $5,200. What is the last day to take advantage of the discount? So first of all, in this case, what I see is I have my terms, but the terms are clearly ordinary dating. There are three types of cash discounts: ordinary dating, end of the month, and receipt of goods. So let's take a look at here, because this is ordinary dating, at least for part A. So I'm going to draw a timeline for myself here, which is what I like to do with these cash discounts. And I'm going to put in the date, so January 21st, because that is when the invoice was dated. Now, what this tells me is that within the first 10 days, I will get a 2% discount if I pay. Now, the way we count the days is the actual day of the invoice. So January 21 would be like day 0 because you just started. So day 1 is January 22nd. Okay? January 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31. 10 days. So January 31st would be your last day to take advantage of the discount. How much would the discount be? 2%. So as long as you pay between January 21st and the end of January 31st, you will get a 2% discount. Now, just a note on the N30. So for those who maybe have forgotten, N30, what that means is that you have from January 21st, so you will have 30 days to pay the net. So you have 30 days to pay off the net, which is the total of the bill. So you have to pay that off. Now, within the period past that discount period there, right here, there is no discount. So if you pay on February 1st onwards, you get no discount. All right. So for part A, what is the last day? Well, the last day is January 31st, is the last day to take advantage of the 2% discount. For part B, what is the amount due if the invoice was paid on January 27th? January 27th clearly falls, so it would have fallen somewhere here, right? That's where it would have fallen. Okay, so let's say somewhere here would have been January 27th. That is within your 2% discount. So we're going to get a discount. So our bill payment, so our bill that we pay, in this case it is $5,200, is going to get a discount. It's going to be discounted 1 minus D. So that's what we always do with discounts. Whatever that rate of discount is going to be your actual payment that you make. So you can use this formula if you like. So 1 minus the 2%, so 2% is changed to decimal, multiplied by the bill. The bill is 5,200, will obtain you whatever that answer is. So 1 minus 0.02 times 5,200. That would have been our payment if we took advantage of the cash discount. If for whatever reason we paid after January 31st, February 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and so on, until our 30 days from January 21 are up, we would have to pay then the entire total. All right? So that's what we would have to do. Let's take a look at C. Now in C, they say, what is the last day to take advantage of the discount if the term now changed? Notice the difference here. There is this acronym which says EOM at the end of our term. So we still get 2% off within the first 10 days. We still have to pay the net within 30 days. But the EOM, the end of the month, changes of how we actually start counting. When do we start counting? EOM means that your invoice date gets moved to the end of the month. So let me illustrate that for you. So here, I'm going to add another page. We have some space. So for C, because now we have 210 and 30, this is EOM. This EOM is crucial because it tells us that the invoice date gets moved to the end of the month. So if I would draw this out, so here's my timeline again. Here is my January 21st. Because of this EOM, this date gets shifted to the end of the month, which is January 31st. And that's when we begin counting. So we start counting from the end of the month. Now, our 10 days begins from here and not from the January 21st because it's end of the month. So we shifted it over. If the invoice date was even January the 2nd or even the 1st, the EOM tells us we can move the invoice date to the end of the month when we start to count. So this is our discount period. So we have 10 days. So again, February 1st would have been day 1. February 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So the last day to take advantage would have been February the 10th. That's the last day. So within here, we get 2% off. Now you say, what if I still paid somewhere within here? Then you still get your 2% off. This is like an extra few days that you get, that the company has given you to take advantage. So here you still get 2% off, but your period in terms of counting the 10 days starts from the end of the month. The 30 days to pay off the entire bill starts right there as well, and it keeps going until the 30 days is gone. So that's the end of the month. So to answer our question, this is it. This is our last day to take advantage of a discount if it is end of the month terms for the cash discount. Part C. That was it. Part D. What is the last day to take advantage of the discount if the terms change? Now they say at the end there's an acronym ROG, which means receipt of goods, meaning you will start counting from the day you receive the goods. So they have to tell you, or you as the company, you have to know, when did I receive these goods? Here it tells us that the items have arrived on January 27th. So that's when we received our goods. So if I would redraw this timeline right here, this way, our invoice date is January 21st. It tells us that we have received the goods on January 27th. This is when we start to count. right here. We need to count 10 days from there to see when is the last day to take advantage. So this 10 days starts from the time that you receive the goods. All right, in the previous one, we started from the end of the month. Here we start when we receive the goods. So day one, okay, we received the goods on January 27th. So one day passes, so that's January 28th. Then January 29th, 30, 31st. February 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 10 days. So this is February 6th. So as long as we pay on February 6th or before then, so as long as we pay somewhere within here, we will get a 2% discount. If we pay after, so if we pay right here, no discount. We still have to pay within 30 days from when we received the goods, but we won't get a discount if we pay on February 7th or onwards. So that is how we identify when we get the cash discounts and when we do not get the cash discounts. This is example number 1.